Welcome to Algebra. Today, we are learning how to write polynomials in standard form. This is a fundamental skill that makes solving equations much easier later on. Specifically, we will look at how to arrange terms in descending powers. Before we arrange anything, we need to understand the building blocks. A polynomial is made up of terms. Look at this term, 5x cubed. The number 3 is the exponent. In algebra, this exponent tells us the degree of the term. The higher the exponent, the higher the degree. So, what does standard form actually mean? It simply means arranging the terms so that the degrees go from highest to lowest. Imagine walking down a set of stairs. You start at the top with the highest exponent, like x to the 4th power, and step down to x cubed, x squared, and so on, until you reach the lowest degree. Let's practice with a real example. Here is a polynomial that is all mixed up. 4x squared plus 7 minus 3x to the 5th power plus 2x. The first step is to identify the degree of every single term. 4x squared has a degree of 2. The number 7 is a constant, so it has a degree of 0. Negative 3x to the 5th has a degree of 5, and 2x has a degree of 1. Now that we know the degrees, we can put them in the correct order. We found that negative 3x to the 5th had the highest degree, so it goes first. Next is 4x squared, then 2x, and finally the constant, 7. Notice how the exponents now count down, 5, 2, 1, 0. This is the correct standard form. There is one huge rule you must never forget. The sign to the left of a number belongs to that number. Think of them as being glued together. If a term is negative, like negative 5x cubed, that negative sign must move with it wherever it goes. Never leave a sign behind. Let's look at a trickier problem. 9 minus x squared plus 6x to the 4th minus 2x first. Find the highest degree. That is 6x to the 4th. Write that first. Next is negative x squared, then negative 2x, and finally, positive 9. The result is 6x to the 4th minus x squared minus 2x plus 9. Once your polynomial is in standard form, the very first number you see is special. We call it the leading coefficient. In our previous example, the first term was negative 3x to the 5th. Therefore, the leading coefficient is negative 3. Teachers often ask for this specific number. Sometimes you might see a gap in the exponents. For example, x to the 8th power minus 5. We jumped straight from 8 to 0. That is perfectly fine. You do not need to fill in the missing numbers. As long as the highest degree is on the left and the lowest is on the right, it is in standard form. Let's summarize what we learned. Always find the degree of every term first. Arrange them so the exponents go from biggest to smallest. Remember that the sign belongs to the term it is next to. And finally, the number without a variable, the constant, always goes last. You are now ready to write any polynomial in standard form.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.